Hi guys, today I'm gonna discuss some of the vulnerability of some strong locks which I believe we locksmith could do something about it for the user's benefit. This kind of lock is very strong. I will not mention the type of this lock, alright? So this kind of lock is very strong and very expensive, right? It has a deadbolt and a bevel bolt. Okay, the deadbolt is for complete privacy. Okay, once the deadbolt is extended, it is of complete privacy. Now, okay, this is a strong lock, alright? Okay, so let's say we will enhance the the security of this lock by installing a Medico, alright? A Medico cylinder. So we will install a Medico cylinder. Okay, so that's it. We install a Medico cylinder. Now, we believe that this lock is really, really high secure, right? So, this when it is installed on the door, especially a wooden door, okay, this is facing outside, okay. Look, the vulnerability of this lock, okay. Let's say, I know I know the template of this kind of lock. There are lots of brochures of the installations and the instructions, right? So most as I know now, but people are really, really very intelligent. They study first before they make the move. Alright? So let's say what will happen. Okay, if they study this kind of lock, what will happen? They find out the weakness of this and see what happens. They have a screwdriver, they will bore a hole which is at the distance from the core, and you see what happens. They open the lock. Right? Now, the same thing with this other kind of lock. This is a deadbolt, right? And a dome 1X had been installed on it to make it more secure, as we believe. But look what will happen. Just a screwdriver, you know the distance from the center of the core, and you got that. You see, just a small hole and a screwdriver. Now, most of these locks has the capability, like as a thumb turn for convenience. This is the weakness of this lock. We locksmith or some safety conscious people, when this is from the outside, when you install this kind of lock, you need to cover this either by a metal plate, maybe 3/32 or 1 inch thick, when you install it from the door, especially if it is a wooden door. The same thing with this other lock. You need to cover this and turn capability from the outside. because this is the weakness spot for which some bad people had already learned this kind of trade, and it is easy for them to access without opening from the cylinder or from breaking the lock. It is only through this lantern capabilities. So I hope I make my point, folks. And thanks for watching. Bye.